Okay, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Richard Razor Sharp back with another video for you all. And today I'm just going to talk to you just shortly about two products that I recommend every single barber should invest in. So I'm not even going to waste any time, let's just get straight into it. So the first piece of equipment I recommend you all buy is the 1 minute blade modifier by Chuka the Barber. If you follow Chuka the Barber on Instagram, then you'll already know about this product. And just so you know, I'm not being paid to promote this product or anything. I'm just giving you my own recommendations based on what I use, and I've used this, and every single one of my trimmers have had their blade modified by this product right here, and I swear by it because I think it's just brilliant. What you'll find is once you sharpen your blades, they hit a lot harder when you're doing your shape ups, and for the price you pay, it's not that expensive. So I'm over here in London, UK, and if you go on Chuka the Barber's website, I'm going to leave the link in the description below. It's $32 for the 1 minute blade modifier, and you can use multiple different trimmer blades and modify them with this product. But what I would warn any UK barbers about is when you buy it, the price of shipping actually costs you more at customs. So when my product arrived, I got a notification from the customs to say that a product had arrived for me, but I need to pay extra tax on it. So altogether this actually cost me about £50 because of the additional money I had to spend on import tax. But I recommend this to every single barber out there. Like I say, I'm going to leave you the link in the description. Also, you could check out my video I've done on how to modify your blades using the 1 minute blade modifier. That will also be left in the description. So that's the first one, guys, that I recommend you all get, because your shape ups are just going to be so much sharper, your trimmers are going to hit a lot harder. So that's the first one. The next one for me, and this one's a bit more specific if you're somebody that uses a Wahl setup. If you're just using Wahl clippers, then this is going to be more for you. If you're using Andes clippers, there are variants available for you, but my next recommendation is the premium Wahl clipper guards. I use nothing else anymore now. Now some of you out here, you may remember these clippers before, these old ones. I had the coloured ones, but these were the standard kind of clipper guards that came with Wahl clippers. But I think it was probably about 18 months or 2 years ago that they released these premium guards, and I swear by them because once they clip on, they do not come off. Now I know many barbers out there may have had similar experiences like me with these clippers guards, where you put them on and you're doing somebody's hair, and actually I'll just show you right here. So you had these on, and then you're doing someone hair, and in the midst of it you apply a bit too much pressure, and then pop, off it goes. And I even remember one situation where it popped off and I didn't even realize, and almost took a big chunk out of that client's hair. So for me, the premium guards, they're just brilliant, because once they snap on, they're not coming off. You can push as hard as you want, but they're not moving. And they're my two main bits of equipment I recommend for every single barber out there. And like I say, for those barbers out there that use the Andes setup, you can get the magnetic guards that they do, which are much better than the standard clipper guards that come in the box. But guys, I hope you find this video useful. If you have, please click that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and share this content with other people. Alright, take care guys. Peace.